Good morning, team. Today, I want to emphasize the importance of punctuality. It's a crucial aspect of professionalism and patient care.
I agree, Mihira. Being on time shows respect for our colleagues and patients.
Exactly. Punctuality not only reflects our commitment to our work, but also ensures smooth workflow and efficient patient care. When we're late, it can disrupt schedules, delay procedures, and cause inconvenience to patients.
What are some strategies to improve punctuality?
Planning and time management are key. We should prioritize tasks, set realistic deadlines, and avoid multitasking. Additionally, it's important to anticipate potential delays and plan accordingly.
What about unforeseen circumstances like traffic or unexpected patient needs?
In such cases, it's essential to communicate with our colleagues and supervisors in advance. Transparency and honesty are crucial.
How can we motivate ourselves to be punctual, Mihira?
Setting personal goals and tracking our punctuality can help. We can also reward ourselves for achieving our goals. Remember, punctuality is a habit that can be cultivated with consistent effort.
Mihira, I understand your concern, and let me explain this clearly. Fungal infections in the feet are quite common, and they usually develop because fungi thrive in environments that are warm and moist. When the feet are enclosed for long periods without proper ventilation, such as inside shoes, the skin becomes damp and provides the perfect conditions for fungal growth. This is why areas between the toes are often affected first, as they tend to trap moisture. There are several everyday habits that can increase the risk of developing such infections. For instance, excessive sweating of the feet, especially if socks are not changed regularly, can create a persistently damp environment. Wearing tight-fitting shoes that do not allow air circulation also contributes to this problem, as the feet remain warm and humid throughout the day. Another important factor is sharing personal items like towels, socks, or shoes, which can easily transfer fungal spores from one person to another. Mihira, by understanding these causes, you can see that the infection is not a reflection of poor hygiene alone but rather a result of conditions that allow fungi to multiply. With some adjustments in footwear, hygiene, and lifestyle, the risk can be significantly reduced, and treatment becomes more effective.